Here are the most effective manifesting method that I have succeeded with. I have made quite a long playlist when it comes to things that worked for me. In this video, I will put it all together and share with you the top ones, and I will put it into a normal day. How can you make your day a manifestation day? By following the framework I'm gonna show you. So hopefully this will help you. I will not guarantee anything, of course. So we start with the morning. And what I suggest you do, and then now I will talk shortly about the methods, but I will put the videos from the playlist in order down below. So the first I'm going to talk about is going to be the top one, and you can click that if you want to learn more about the method. I go deeper in each video, right? So here's the manifestation day. The first thing I suggest you do is actually the night before. You put the alarm on your phone to go beep maybe an hour before you usually get up, okay? And when that alarm beeps, let's say it beeps at 6 a.m., all you do, just to click the snooze button on that alarm, and you close your eyes and you visualize whatever you want to manifest. Play that movie in your head. Why? You are now in the theta state with brainwaves, which apparently is one of the most effective ways to manifest when it comes to visualizing. If you were to try to do that while you're awake, it might take you a long time in meditation. But when you wake up and when you go to bed before you sleep, you are in theta. So you can also do this at night. But the good thing about the morning is that you push that snooze button and you go back and forth between the two worlds of your dream world, your movie you play and visualize, and you wake up and you can go back and forth. If you do it at night, when you fall asleep, it's over. But here you can stay there for longer. That's the first thing you can do in the morning when you wake up. Or actually before you wake up. And the next thing I would advise you to do when you are awake, you don't have to do this in the morning, but it is good to get things done, is to have a heart-to-heart conversation with whatever you want to manifest. So let's use money as an example. Talk to money. Yes, it feels silly maybe, but it's like talking it out with a friend which you have a conflict with. And you hug it out and then you leave it behind you and can move on. Many of us have conflicts with money. So that's video number 2 down below. The first one would be the waking up part, right? And this is number 2. And here's number 3. The third thing you do this morning is to use the speak up method. It is based on using your intention and asking for help. It is based on you creating, you manifesting, but we are not the only creators in this universe, my friend. That would be kind of silly. Well, at the deepest level we are. We're all one. We're all source, right? So, but we are many entities, and you can get help from your helpers, guides, whatever you want to call them. Why do this alone? So there's a whole framework. I go through it in the third video down below. That's the third thing I would do that day. And now, what do you do during the day? Let's use money as an example again. I would spend more money. Yes. But I would buy things that I want. I would not buy things because they are cheap or are on sale. I would raise my vibration by treating myself with healthy, good stuff that I actually want and not thinking about the price tag. You don't have to spend more money. You shouldn't spend money you don't have. Maybe we should just shop less and buy things we want. I know this blocked me for years. I talk about that in the video down below, which is the 4th video. And the 5th video is about going to sleep. But let me tell you something. If you look at the comments from what I'm about to share with you, maybe you've tried it. It's like, is this a scam? Is this real? It's like hundreds and hundreds of comments of people going, oh my God, I manifested this in record short time. It's just amazing. And what I'm talking about is listening to audio while you sleep. There's lots of them on YouTube. The idea that they communicate into your subconscious mind or spirit world, we don't know exactly, do we? But they seem to be working like a rocket when it comes to manifesting. And in the 5th video I talk more about it, and then you can also in the 5th video click the link. I found one for you. I didn't make it, but it sounds very good and the comments are amazing. So you can listen to that at night while you sleep. Those are 5 ideas that really, and believe me, I had no money for a long time. And actually the first thing that broke that cycle was listening to that audio. Well, not that audio. I couldn't find the audio I listened to. But this one is beautiful and it sounds good, and it's you can start with that, but find your own if you want to. I talk more about in the video down below. So, and down below on the bottom there, on the 6th line, I put up the whole playlist of all the videos about money manifestation. Hopefully this helps you. I would love to hear your results in the comments. And yeah, let's go.